Okay, today is May 3rd, and we are lucky that after back-to-back hard question on the LeetCode Daily Challenge, today we have easy questions. So just in case if it's too easy, I prepare another sequel question just in case. But yeah, it's good that after two hard questions, we finally get to rest a little bit to do the easy question today. So let's get started to see what is today's daily question. So today's daily question is running sum of 1D array. So it's a one-dimensional array, and then given an array nums, we define a running sum of an array as running sum equals to sum of 0 to I. Okay, so the ith element is the sum of from 0 to I. So return the running sum of nums. Running sum. Okay, so for the first example, let's see, the array is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first one is 1. The second one is 1 plus 2 to 3, and then the third one is then 3 plus 3, which is 6, and then the first one is 10. So here is the explanation. So I guess this one is the same. Here is the explanation, and yeah, we can use the example 3 to check if our answer is correct. And also the array is a one-dimensional array. It's pretty short. It's just between, the length is only between 1 to 1000, but the number range is quite big. However, let's see. So 10 to the 6, 10 to the 9. So it shouldn't overflow. Yeah, it's 9 digit. So it shouldn't overflow. So although it looks really big, but based on these two range, we know the total sum of the last one won't, of course it won't overflow because we are returning an integer. So if it's overflowing, then yeah, we won't be able to put the integer inside an integer array. So let's get started. Hey, there's a hint. It's so weird. So think about how we can calculate the ith number in the running sum for the I minus 1 number. Okay, yeah, so it's so weird that even for an easy question we have a hint, and I took it anyway. Okay, so let's define, that's too long, so let's just define an integer array res. It's like it's a typing contest. Nums the length, and then so for anti-I, do we need the index? Yes, we need the index. So do we need to initialize the first one? Yes. So let me initialize the first one as the first one of the input array, and okay, so I equals to 0, not 0, because we already have the first one. So I small or equal than nums the length, and then I plus plus. So based on this hint, we need to see, yeah, because this is the key for this question. So, and where did I type wrong? Yes. So the res I will be equal to num star I plus res I minus 1. So then this will be a running sum, right? So we got the running sum from the, yeah, that's an easy one. Yeah, but I I sort of don't know why, and this is the 1480, so I think this should be earlier. Yeah. So let's return TURN what? Res. Huh. What did I do wrong? God. Because it's too easy, so my typing speed is losing. Yeah, so let's use this to test. And submit. Okay, so I guess this question, yeah, everybody's time and space is the same. Well, not everybody is the same. Mine is a little bit worse than others, but I guess that's probably because using separate space, right? And then using the input array. But why are you modifying the input array though? So I guess they are saving the space because of they are using the input array. But anyway, I think this is just a basic practice of the prefix sound, because I guess the prefix sound array we need to use in all kinds of different like situations. So yeah, so usually this is the first thing we need to do for such kind of question. So yeah, let's see for today's daily question. So because this is too short, I actually prepared a SQL question. So hold on for a second. Let me prepare for the second question. But this is for today's question. Thank you for watching our easy question for the LeetCode daily.